The news in detail. As part of the World Environment Day celebrations, the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with government officials and students, took part in planting saplings at Shillong International Centre for Performing Arts and Culture SICPAC, Shillong, at Mao Kasyang on Tuesday. Meghalaya is planting over 5 lakh saplings through the Mission Life initiative. While speaking at the event, the Chief Minister said that they will be throwing these seed balls which are easy to plant. He said that it is a fun exercise as we teach our children to plant seeds for a more environment conscious and green Meghalaya. At the same time, the Chief Minister also inaugurated Nature Interpretation Centre at Phan Nonglait Park, which showcases and documents the rich flora and fauna of Meghalaya.
We have these new seed balls that we have, which actually are very easy to plant, and we are experimenting and trying to see how we could have different ways in which trees could be planted. And this is a very easy way where you just simply have to throw it and the plant will grow. So therefore we thought that the best way to make this happen is to have our children, our students, the future generation of our state and our country, to be part of this very, very important occasion.
Tourism